Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Samsung Galaxy M04. So on this device we have a Google Lens feature, so there is two ways for that. The first one is by opening the Google Photos. If you don't have this app, just install it from the Google Play Store. And now look for the app that you want to search in the Google. Like this one, tap on the Google Lens and whole process starting automatically. That's it. That was the first method. Now the second one, by the web browser. Go to the google.com. And now is very necessary step. Remember to switch your web browser to the desktop side. Very important. Now just click on the camera icon and tap on the upload a file. Choose the picture like before, click done, and now we are looking for the similar or exactly same photo in the Google image database. And that's it. How you can see this the same photo. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.